So you want to know how to trim, resize or compress your video. Now in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you a free tool that most YouTubers use to trim or resize or compress their videos so that they may be able to easily upload them. So I'm going to give you how and why you must trim your videos before you upload. It's very important that you trim your videos or resize your videos or compress your videos before you upload them on YouTube. Now, if your videos are taking too long to load on YouTube, then you probably want to consider compressing your videos. Your videos should not load for long on YouTube. This is because if they take long to load, your viewers might click to the next video before they watch your video. So therefore, you want the video to load fast. So if you want your video to load fast, then it means it has to be compressed so that YouTube can easily hold it and give it less space, and that it loads faster. So don't lose viewership because you can't load your videos, because your videos don't load fast on YouTube, and because you did not compress your video. That is when this video I'm going to show you compress your videos so that it saves you on time, on the loading time, and therefore your viewers will not have to wait for long for your videos to load for them to start watching or enjoying. So if you're ready, let's get into this free tool today. The free tool is called Handbrake. Now here is Handbrake. I'll drop a link on the description below. You can go and click that link. Handbrake is an open source, therefore it's free for anybody to use, and I think it's available for both Windows and Mac. You can just click the link below, download Handbrake. It is free. You're not going to be charged anything, so that you can use it to compress your videos and so that you can make sure that your videos load fast and don't lose on viewership. Now let's jump into Handbrake. I already downloaded my Handbrake and installed it on my desktop here, and therefore I'm just going to show you some of the main settings that you need to put on your Handbrake so that you make sure that you get the best from this free tool. All right, so right now I'm on Handbrake. Now when you first load Handbrake, this is what you're going to get. Okay, so this is Handbrake for you. So when you first upload Handbrake, this is what you're going to get. Of course, the first things first, I'm assuming that you have a video that you want to compress. So how do you start if you have this in front of you? Now, just forget about this top bar here. It's not so important. I think the most important part is the second bar right here. Now, of course, the first part here is called open source. Now, this is where you're going to drop. This is the button you're going to use so that you can drop your video onto Handbrake so that it can be compressed. So how do you do that? Just click on that button and it brings you here. So you can just drag and drop your video here on this empty folder here, and then it will be uploaded on Handbrake. Or you can come and choose it from file here or from folder. Easy like that, and then you've uploaded a video on Handbrake. So then what do you do next? Now there's some few settings I want to make sure that you get right. Okay, number one is make sure that this place is set to either fast 1080p 1080p30. Okay, so if it's not, just go here, then go to general, and then here it is. Just choose all on this. You can also try, sorry about that, so you can just come here and then go to generals, and then you can use fast 810p. That is the setting number one. Now this one main setting that I want you to do just before you start compressing your video. Now here, just come here. Now you see it's format here. You want to make sure that always before you compress your format is on MP4. Now there are other options available for whatever you are doing, but of course the most preferred video format is MP4 for most videos. Just always make sure that this part of format is MP4. Now finally, before you start encoding or before you start compressing your video, you want to set where you want to save it, right? So just come here on the bottom right corner and then click on browse. When you click on browse here, you're going to tell it where you want your videos to be stored once it has been compressed. As simple as that, and you have it. So now once you've told Handbrake where you want your video to be stored once it is compressed, then it's very simple. So if you uploaded your video using this, you make sure this is MP4, and then you set this preset to fast 1080p30, and then here you've told it where you want your video to be downloaded, which folder to be downloaded on once it has been compressed. The next thing is, what button do you press? So once you've done, just click here on start encoding, and then it will just start compressing your video for you. It is as simple as that, guys. Yeah, simple as that, and you have compressed the video for people to watch. Now if you've gotten some value from this, please then make sure to leave me a subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and leave me a thank you on the comments below, and I'll surely reply to your message. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope the videos help you to compress and trim your videos so that you may increase on your viewership and don't lose on viewers in the future. Once again, thank you, and see you in the next video.